Winner-take-all Saturday between rivals Virginia and Virginia Tech. The birth in the ACC title game with Clemson awaiting on the line. The Hokies heavily favored, but Mike London's bunch has been surprising folks all year long. No surprise here, Logan Thomas passing the ball well. Tosses that one up to Marcus Davis, 36-yard gain there. Davis, 119 yards receiving in the ball game. Thomas, the big fella, he can also run it. Takes it in from 14 yards out, his 10th rushing touchdown of the year, the most for any quarterback under Frank Beamer. Meanwhile, the rushing attack, so good this year for Virginia. Not so good here. Stopped on 4th and 3. Kevin Parks gets shut down. Just 30 yards rushing on the day for Virginia. Meanwhile, this was happening for Tech. They were doing what they wanted to do. Thomas complete to Davis, 52-yard gain. They're in business, already up 7-0, and they would add to that. 3 plays later, Thomas to Jarrett Boykin, 16-yard touchdown, 14-0 ball game at the break. Third quarter, it was a David Wilson show, as it has been all season long. Look at the move there. Wilson, nice little jab. He gets into the end zone from 27 yards out. He had 153 on the day. 21-0 skunk. At this point, it would get worse for the Cavs. Michael Rocco intercepted by Dietrich Bonner. Tech forced 4 turnovers on the day. Virginia's defense, meanwhile, watched that man run wild. Wilson, 38-yard score. Extends the lead to 28-0. Looking for more here. Inside the 10, he's going to reverse field. We've seen Wilson do this a couple of times this year. He gets in the end zone. But wait a minute. Block in the back called here on the receiver. It was negated. Wilson, though, still over 100 yards rushing in this game for the 10th time this year. Ties an ACC record as Virginia Tech heads to the ACC championship game on December 3rd in Charlotte to face Clemson. Here's the winning quarterback.
We just knew that we had to get the ball to David a little bit more. He's a phenomenal athlete. He's a great player. And I knew we had to get him the ball, and we did so, and we got some more points out of it.